front of everyone. Let go of Radha.
Damini, what do you think?
Damini,
You can marry Mohan
Damini.
and replace me? How
What
dare
are you
you?
doing,
Damini! Have you lost your mind? You know Radha, right? Then why would she do all this?
Do we really know Radha, Mohan? You gave her the card, right? You told her to check and make the necessary corrections also. And look what she did.
No, Sister Damini. Please hear me out.
Shut up.
Just keep quiet. Today you have been exposed in front of everyone, Radha. You deserve to stay in a slum and you have dreams to stay in a mansion. I had been telling you since the beginning that this girl does not have good intentions. Did you all see? Did you all see what she did? She had an intention to marry Mohan. With that intention, she came here.
She even performed this ritual by deceit.
Damini, just a minute. Radha, did you check the cards?
Yes, Aunt Kadambari.
Did you do this, Radha?
Mom? Aunt Kaveri always blames Radha, but you know Radha, right? She doesn't lie.
But this is also true, Mohan.
Mom, this could
Gone
be...
are those days, Mohan, when Radha didn't used to lie at all. She lied to us about the letter, didn't she? Have you forgotten that? Try to realize the truth, Mohan. Radha is a liar, a cheat and a fraud. So stop defending her, for God's sake, I'm telling you.
Now you are being rude, Damini.
I'm sorry, Mohan. But don't you see what has happened today?
Aunt Kadambari. I'm telling the truth. I have not done this. Trust me.
Then who did it, Radha? Is someone trying to frame you by doing so? As it is, you have a lot of enemies. Hey Radha, tell us the truth, otherwise you...
You want to know the truth? Dulari, please get my phone. We will find out the truth now.
Mohan.
Hello. You brought the wedding cards a while ago, so could you bring me the sample on which the changes were made? Please bring me that card. Just wait and we will find out the truth. You want to know the truth? Fine, let's find out then.
Let it be, Mohan. Let's perform the rituals instead of wasting time on all this.
No, this is important, Damini. You all have accused her, right? Especially you. We will continue only after the findings. Or maybe we won't.
What?
Yeah.
Damini, you will be exposed today in front of everyone. The whole house will find out that you are such an evil person.
Why is Damini so nervous? Is Damini behind all this?
Sir?
Check the card, Mohan. The handwriting will prove that Damini is behind all this. She just wanted to frame Radha. Please check.
Mohan? What happened? Tell me.
Yes, Mohan, tell us. Whose handwriting is this?
Speak up, Mohan.
Someone has replaced Damini's name with Radha's here.
Oh gosh. What if Gungun did this? I will have to do something. I did that.
What?
It is my mistake. I should have been careful. I wrote my name on the card by mistake.
What are you doing, Radha? Why are you taking the blame for my mistake? Damini is very bad. She framed Uncle Rahul. But no one believes me. It's okay. Damini can never become my mom. No problem. Gungun Trivedi can fix everything.
Mistake? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are lying again? Who does these things by mistake? How could someone remove the bride's name and write their own name by mistake? And do you think that Mohan would look at your name on the card instead of mine and say that since Radha's name have been printed on the card, he would marry to Radha only? Look, Radha, now everyone has seen your true colors, so just stop your drama. This 2-bit villager wants to compare herself with me.
Now that's enough. I don't know about Radha's true colors, but we all can see yours and your mother's true colors, Damini.
Mohan, are you yelling at me?
Yes, because I know Radha didn't do anything. No, Radha. When you haven't done anything, You shouldn't take the blame. It's wrong. Things don't need to be repeated once again. People shouldn't point fingers at your character because of me.
Mohan, if Radha didn't write her name, then who did? Tell us.
Yes, tell us.
Tell me, dear.
Gungun, come out.
Gungun wrote Radha's name.
I told you to come out, Gungun.
Mohan, what are you doing?
Come here.
What are you doing?
Mohan, what are you doing, Mohan?
Stand here and tell me, what is this, Gungun? Is this a joke? Tell me, why did you do this? Why? Why aren't you saying? Answer me, Gungun.
Enough! You burnt her mother to death, wasn't that enough? Now you want to torture her? Aren't you ashamed of yourself, Mohan? You are yelling at a kid.
Sister Narmada.
Don't make me a part of your sins by touching my feet, Mohan. You killed my daughter with these hands. You don't need to touch my feet with them. What right do you have to scold Gungun? Will you treat her badly because she doesn't have a mom? Did you see that? I told you that my granddaughter is not safe in this house. Did you see how they treat her? They keep yelling at her because she doesn't have a mom. Mom? And you? Kadambari, you are Gungun's grandma, right? Gungun is your granddaughter. You see everything. Then why don't you make Mohan understand?
No, ma'am. You misunderstood. Mohan would never treat Gungun badly. He just scolded Gungun a bit.
A bit of scolding? He caught her hand and pulled her. Had I not arrived, he would have slapped her.
No, ma'am. Mohan would never even dream of raising his hand to Gungun. He loves Gungun a lot. He was explaining something to Gungun. Tell me, can't a father scold his daughter in order to teach her right from wrong? You tell me, ma'am.
Right. You think he's a good man? Mohan Trivedi murdered my daughter. He doesn't know how to talk to people. He resorts to physical violence. His own daughter calls him a murderer. And she calls him by name. So you think he can teach others right from wrong? No, Mom. Mohan and Gungun's relationship has changed after Radha's arrival. Mohan really loves Gungun a lot.
That was in the past, Aunt. Gungun doesn't say those things to Mohan anymore. She loves Mohan a lot.
Enough, Radha. Don't lie so much, it's not good for you. So many people live in the Trivedi family. There are so many servants, yet they cannot take care of a little child. If Gungun was taken care of, she wouldn't have fallen in the ditch.
Mother, it was an accident.
I won't let another accident take place. I already lost my daughter. I won't lose my granddaughter. That's why I brought a lawyer with me. As I'm Gungun's grandmother, I will be appealing for her custody. I will take Gungun away from you and this family legally. She will live with me permanently. I don't think Gungun is safe in this house. That's why Gungun will live with me. She will stay in my house for good.
Mom?
No.
Custody means... What? Mother, what are you saying?
What are you saying, Mom? Gungun's custody?
Sister Narmada, why don't you understand? Gungun doesn't face any problems in this house. She is absolutely safe and sound here. You can ask her if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Gungun is very happy here. Everyone loves her a lot. You know, we can't wait to give her what she wants. When she's at home, Aunt Kadambari feeds her on time and puts her to sleep on time too. And when she goes out to play, Rahul keeps an eye on her for her safety. And Ketki, she buys new toys for Gungun whenever she goes to the market. And Ajit, drops and picks her up from school. Gungun's granddad narrates different stories to her. And Mohan. Gungun means the world to Mohan. He can't start his day without looking at Gungun's face. He fulfills Gungun's every wish. Ma'am, you know, Mohan plays the flute for Gungun at night and puts her to sleep. Gungun is very happy here. She means the world to this family. This family has given Gungun everything.
What about a mother? Does she have a mother? She has a mother. Even though I am not here, Radha has fulfilled all the duties of a mother. She has really done a lot for Gungun.
Who said Gungun doesn't have a mother? I admit that Mohan and I aren't married yet. But it doesn't mean that I don't treat Gungun as my daughter. Gungun is my daughter.
You are not my mother.
Gungun.
Even this kid knows that this woman isn't worthy of being her mother. And all of you, are you all blind in this house? When my daughter was alive, this woman ruined her peace and happiness. She tried her best to destroy my daughter's marriage. And now this girl will take my daughter's place.
Mother, you don't stay here, so you don't know. I can understand your concerns. I mean, whatever happened during the past couple of days, you must be worried because of that, but she fell into the borewell by an accident, Mother. I guarantee that here, Gungun is happy and safe too. Please trust me.
Don't put on an act, Mohan. You will give me a guarantee. Didn't you come to me to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage? You gave me a guarantee. I already lost my daughter. I won't lose my granddaughter. No, Mom. Mohan loves Gungun a lot. He won't let anything happen to her.
Enough, Mother. You should leave now. You can't come to my house and threaten to snatch my daughter.
Mohan, don't talk like
No,
that,
Mom,
dear.
I have had enough. I cannot live without my daughter. Whether my daughter is happy and safe or not is our family problem. You don't need to interfere, Mother. Please leave from here.
Do you think I am threatening you, Mohan? These are papers from the court. We have filed a case in court for Gungun's custody. Mom?
A lawyer and a social worker will come here and speak to Gungun to understand whether she is happy in this house or not. The court proceedings will begin only once they find out how her father and stepmother treat her.
You don't need to be afraid, Gungun. You don't have a mom. But you do have a granny. I will take you with me.
Stop, ma'am.
You are a champion. I promise you that I won't let you go away from this house. No one will take you away.
Radha!
Nothing will go wrong, Gungun. No one will take you away. We won't let you go away.
Gungun's granny has this new whim about getting her custody. Ever since Gungun was born, she has lived here. Her granny knows nothing about her. She doesn't even know how Gungun likes to drink her milk. I think mother is making empty threats.
I brought the lawyer with me. As Gungun's maternal grandma, I'm asking the court for Gungun's custody. I will separate Gungun from you and the family legally and take her away with me.
How can the court hand over her custody? Is this a joke?
Mohan, that can happen. It was different before. Since the news of Gungun falling into the borewell came to light, our case has become very weak. On top of that, Tulsi was murdered. Mohan, please don't feel bad. But you weren't proven innocent in that case. You were acquitted because of lack of evidence. And Mohan, all these factors can go against us. That's why Gungun's grandma has claimed for custody.
Oh Lord Krishna, Gungun's uncles are not good people.
Radha, save me from Uncle Kans.
Hand over the girl and just leave.
I don't know why Gungun's grandma wants to take up Gungun's responsibility all of a sudden.
I don't know why this Gungun's grandmother has found this new love out of the blue.
Nothing is out of the blue, Mom.
What do you mean?
Let me tell you, Aunt. Damini, what did you think? You would sneak out at midnight and pull off some scam and I would not know about it?
What scam? I just went to meet my friends.
Yes.
Nice. I had no idea, Damini, that Tulsi's brother, Gungun's uncle was such a good friend of yours. What's the matter? Don't you believe me? Huh? You want evidence? Wait. Look at this. Look at it. A video.
So you just have to convince your mother that Gungun isn't happy in Trivedi mansion at all. In fact, she should seek custody of Gungun.
So before getting married to Mohan, you want to get rid of Gungun?
Listen, what I really want or not is none of your business at all.
So let me discuss about my business. How will I be compensated?
Gungun, the only daughter of Mohan Trivedi. If Gungun comes to live with you, then you will have the goose that lays golden eggs in your home. Then you can get as much money as you want from Mohan anytime. And I will handle the court case and the lawyers as well. Don't worry at all. You won't incur any losses in this deal.
Come on, have a look. Damini and Gungun's uncle having a friendly chat at midnight. See? Damini, there's a difference of 1 foot in our heights, you see. Don't forget that.
Hey, my darling boy. Please delete this.
See, Rahul, I'm saying
Hey.
it nicely.
Drop the arrogance. Drop it. It won't take more than a minute, Damini, to show this video to Mohan. And after that, the mom and daughter duo will be sent off from this house within a minute by Mohan. Tell me, should I show him the video?
People know about it. They have read the news that Gungun was rescued from a borewell by our family.
Aunt, you're absolutely right. But the fact that we let her fall into the borewell in the first place will not work in our favor in front of the judge. I'm going to do my very best, but I can't give false hopes to all of you. Our case is turning out to be very weak.
I just can't figure out what is going on here. One problem ends and in no time another crops up. I keep feeling scared. I wonder which new crisis, what problem is about to befall our family.
Don't worry, Damini. I won't show this video to anyone. I will keep your secret safe.
But why? Don't you hate me, Rahul?
Yes, I hate you, Damini. But there are others in this family. I hate them even more than you.
The traitor to our family is Rahul.
What are you saying, Mohan? Shut up! I haven't forgotten that day. That day when Mohan had insulted me in front of everyone. He had hit me in front of everyone, and I didn't even make a mistake, and he still did that. And it was all because of that worthless village girl.
You came up with a foolproof plan. If it weren't for Radha, we would never have found out your secret.
The fool thinks he was exposed because of Radha. He doesn't know that I was the mastermind.
Listen to me, Damini. Both of us have a common enemy. That's Radha. The enemy of an enemy is a friend. So let's join hands. Our friendship will have only one mission: Radha's destruction. If we stay together, things will be done better and also sooner. What do you say, partners?
Partners. Since we are allies now, it will be easy to cripple Radha now.
But given what is happening right now, Mohan will be busy safeguarding Gungun's custody only. So nobody has the time for your haldi ceremony.
Don't worry, Mom. Your daughter doesn't do anything without a plan. Radha will try her best to sabotage the haldi ceremony, but I won't allow that to happen.
Tomorrow is the haldi ceremony for Mohan and Damini, and now all
No,
this
Moham, there will be no haldi ceremony in this house. I'm going to focus on keeping my daughter in this house.
Anyway, Gungun is so nervous. Let's call off the haldi ceremony. Let's take care of Gungun first.
Be quiet, Radha. The haldi ceremony will happen.
What else can one expect from you, Damini? Have you ever thought of anyone but yourself? Why would you do that now?
What I mean to say is, Having the haldi ceremony at home will boost everyone's morale. It will be positive. When the lawyer and the social worker come here to meet Gungun, then they will also see how happy she is with us.
Yes.
Damini is not wrong, Mohan. Listen, ever since Tulsi's mom has come here, she has only said she wants a good mother for Gungun. So if we can convince the social worker and the lawyer that Damini is taking care of Gungun like a mother and she can be a good mother, we may be able to swing this case in our favor.
But Gungun hates Damini a lot. She will never call Damini mom.